Hello everyone, today I'll demonstrate our social media lead management. In this video, we'll cover how to connect Facebook, how to create a lead form, how leads are generated, how they are imported into Odoo, and social dashboard, Facebook dashboard, and that filters and analytics. First, we have to configure our Facebook account in Odoo. So how we can connect from here in social dashboard configuration, connect Facebook and connect Instagram. First, now let's check out the Facebook lead. Go to the CRM module. Here we can go to the Facebook forms. Here we can see all lead from the Facebook coming here. We can see all the forms here. The forms are now available for this synchronization. Whenever new lead comes, they are submitted. Now let's see how a Facebook lead form is created. So first we have to go to the meta account that are connected for Odoo, that is pragmatic events. Let's see here. Go to the back, then dashboard, configuration, Facebook page. See here are the pragmatic event. The page is connected to our meta account. So go to the meta account that are selected. Then we have to create a one instant form. Go to all tools, then search for the instant forms. Here the instant forms. Once we can create a form. Now new form, then give a title to the form. We give the title. Let's we give Facebook demo. Then next, then headline to our form, that hello, then dot dot dot. Next, then the description, fill the form, and there are the information that we have to add category. We can add here contact field, phone number, WhatsApp number, city, etc., etc. Next, we have to give a link. Let's suppose I do www.google.com. Then next, then here we have to fill the date, then create form. So here we can see our form is created. Let's test the form. We can go here and test form. So here's our form, then continue, then this information automatically come. I'll fill previous one so that comes automatically, and continue, submit. Here we can see the form is submitted successfully. Then he redirect to Google. Then we can cut this and then go to the. Now here the real parts come. We can see, go to the CRM, then configuration, then forms. Oh sorry, go to the pages. First we have to fetch the form. So here we can see we don't have that form yet. So first we have to fetch the form. Once it's fetched, we can see here Facebook demo. The form is come. So then we can go to the Facebook forms. Then where we can see the Facebook demo form is here. First, then we have to validate this form. Here we can see in the already this mapping has already done. Then we have to validate. Once it's validate, then go to the our social dashboard. Here we can see our social dashboard, and let's import our lead. So first thing, the dashboard is for both for Instagram and Facebook. Here we can see total leads, today leads, yesterday leads, and last past 7 leads. and we have a particular date period time filter. We can see today lead here. Here we can see today I generated 5 leads, yesterday I didn't generate 1 lead, so here comes 0, everything. Here the graph chart, daily lead volume and monthly lead growth, and share as a platform comparison. It compare from Facebook and Instagram and their conversation success, won opportunity progress that we can see. Here the recent social leads. See, recently I created Instagram lead, so here comes recent. Let's suppose now I import the now created lead. So wait for 5 seconds, and here see we can see totally it is 6. Now it's generated totally. Now we can see Facebook lead name, Facebook demo that we have created that form. Here come recent one, and in Facebook dashboard also it's only this dashboard it's particular for the Facebook, and and Instagram for the particular for the Instagram. But if we have to see both, we have to compare Facebook and Instagram. So we can go to the dashboard. We can see here both. Here are some filters we can search. Let's suppose what we created the form now, Facebook demo. Let's search uh, Facebook. See, we have two leads that match the result. So since see, we can see the Facebook demo, Facebook lead that already created. So the search filter work like that. And same for the Facebook. Here we can see for the only for the Facebook dashboard that forms are coming, and dashboard is for the both platforms. And if we have to don't go to the dashboard, we can filter out here. We can see only the Facebook leads. So that's it for today, and have a great day.